Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set weekly goals in Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store and from there search for Strava and find the application. So once you have found it, you can get started installing it, and once you open it up, now we can get started using it. So the first thing we want to do is to log into our account that we want to track our activities with. So once you're logged in, now you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page. So this is the home page. You can take a look at where we can get started accessing everything we need and all the options we have. And now we can go ahead and take a look at how to set our weekly goals. So basically guys, if you open up your profile right here in the bottom right corner by clicking on the use section, this is going to open up your profile where you can take a look at your progress and your activities. And from here you have the option to go and track your progress and reach your goals with subscription features. So basically guys, if you have a premium plan, you are going to go and be able to start your weekly goals and what you want to achieve. So basically you're going to need a premium plan for that. Keep that in mind. But as you can see here, we can go and take a look at what our plans are. So we have the plus button at the top of the screen. This is going to enable us to get started with making a post or photos or manual activity, but you do not have the option for setting plans, because for your goals and for your weekly goals you are going to need a premium plan of Strava. So keep that in mind, and once you've gotten that, you can come back right here and get started setting up your goals. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.